Ayan na, pinahawak na si Kobe. Kobe, oh. Uy, sayang. Sayang. Ayan. Ayun, di siya pinasahan. Sayang.
2 seconds.
Ayan. Tumatakbo siya.
Nicely keeping it alive for Binyan. We'll get a new 14 Hernandez screening. Peñarredondo for 3 and it's way off the target.
Ayan na, tumatakbo na siya, guys.
Guys are going away too much from what made their offense successful. Extra passing.
Ayan na, bumabantay siya, bumabantay.
Score from that area. Wawi Scotia. It's very hard to stop Wawi Scotia.
Napaul.
Inside the Sisafi 2012 rookie MVP. Paminsan-minsan na mayari. 52-36. Michael.
Nasaan na siya?
Nice defense there by Wawi Scotia.
Nadepensahan.
And the Black Fox with the chance to trim down.
Lamang naman sila, guys, lamang, kaya okay lang yan.
24 ticks remaining in the first half.
Ayun, binabantayan rin ni Kobe, oh. Oh.
Amon,
Oh. Oh.
Jacob. He puts
Oh.
on the move. He rises up for 2 and got it.
Ay, tinirahan.
And
Putting
lets him
Jacob in a torture chamber.
Gives him a stank face.
Jacob will try to answer.
Ayun, bigyan nyo si Kobe.
Double team.
Ayun, tumira rin siya.
And he is fouled. And the
Ayan, napaul siya, napaul.
Might see the first professional points of John
Ayan, tingnan natin. Free throw niya.
And
Ayan,
he
yan.
will go to the free throw
Tingnan
line.
natin.
The self-proclaimed
Self-proclaim.
ng Pinas.
Ayan na. Yun, oh.
Nah, you don't chant that here. That's a disgrace to that legend's name.
Ayun.
And he gets the first.
That's his first bucket. Must be a relief.
And with a sigh of
Nakashoot na,
relief,
guys. Nakashoot na. Kobe ng Pinas.
second free throw underway and very short. Oh,
Nakubos na sa una, Sandy.
Dami niyang fans, guys.
and he's hearing it from the
Ayan
crowd.
na, second half na to.
5 seconds to go.
Ilang segundo na lang. Half time na.
4 seconds. Tuki. 4-2. No.
Oh.
Napes was wide open.
Lamang pa naman sila, guys. Lamang. Hinihintay ko lang makashoot si Kobe ng Pinas. Ayan. Matindi.
Boy.
Nasa na siya? Nandun sa gilid. Ayan na siya. 24.
Nice shot by
Ayan,
Pamboy
nakashoot.
Raimundo.
Nakashoot ka kampi niya.
There on that attack by Pamboy off the ball screen. Walang weak side help.
Hinihintay natin kung makashoot siya.
Tuki.
Ay, hindi niya nabantayan, ha.
John Hamon from downtown.
Ayan.
We need more of that from John Hamon. He's a PBA veteran, Sandy.
Foul is called on Tuki.
Napaul siya.
Medyo niwilan si
Napaupo
Joey.
siya, napaupo.
He says he's
Wala daw, wala.
If he will show his weakness to the other guys.
Ayan na, guys, pangalawang laro ni Kobe ng
see what he can
Pinas.
do here.
Ayan na.
Did not receive.
Ayan na. Lamang naman sila, eh.
That was a warm welcome when he played against Jensan. And that was against
Asa na? Ayun, pinahawak na siya. Pinahawak na. Uy!
Pamboy for 2.
Ay, di siya
Rebounded by
pinasa.
James Martinez.
Sayang.
Martinez cross it up.
Good defense.
Yun, oh. Good defense siya. Good defense.
Kobe is running.
Ayan na.
Peñarredondo will go all the way.
Uy,
Rebounded by
wala.
John Hamon.
Sayang, di siya nakarebound.
Tukim lost it. Martinez incoming.
Coach Boyd asking for a goaltend violation on that layup. Somebody held on to the net on that layup by Peñarredondo.
Castillo step out of bounds. Wawi scores the banger in the game. So Kyle Napes.
Ayan. Mayroon technical lang.
Wait, not happy.
Ayan.
Canaleta, Cardona,
Garbage time na, pinasok na guys.
guys who've been there, done that.
Yan oh, si Jonah, oh.
Jonah.
Oy! Ang alawang shoot niya, ang galing. Oy, galing.
Jonah Jacob. Alamanza will score.
Ayan na, bigay pa ulit sa kanya.
5 seconds to go.
Oh, tira niya na.
The Arena defending.
Itira niya na.
Asking for a foul.
Ayan, panalo
That
sila
was his
guys.
first